Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Hint. So today's session we are going to talk about GitLab CI-CD Pipeline to build Java project using Maven. And in today's session we are going to discuss all these points. First, how to create Ubuntu 20.04 LTS EC2 instance in AWS. Second, how to install GitLab Runner on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Third, how to register GitLab Runner on Ubuntu EC2 instance. Fourth, how to open JDK and install Maven on Ubuntu 24 LTS on GitLab Runner instance. Fifth, creating a Maven project and push to GitLab repository. And last one, creating GitLab CI/CD pipeline to build Java project using Maven. So firstly, go to the first point, how to create Ubuntu 20.04 LTS EC2 instance in AWS. So you can see here the steps. So now we will follow the steps. So firstly, go to the first step. Go to your AWS account and log in. You can see here I have already logged in. So go to the EC2 and click on launch instances. Then scroll down and you can see here Ubuntu server 20.04 LTS. So click on select. Then click on next because I want t2.microtypes. So click on next. Then click on next. Then you can see a size 8. So I want 15. So 8 replace with 15 and click on next. So add tag name GitLab runner. Next. And click on select an existing security group and default. Click on default and review and launch. Lastly, click on launch. Then you can see here select a key pair. So now I will select window RSA. You can select as per your operating system. Then I acknowledge launch instances. So now you can see here your instances are now launching. So go to the EC2 and check our instances created or not. So refresh the page. So you can see GitLab runner. So click here. And in details, you can see public IPv4 address. So copy the public IPv4 address and go to the MobiX term and here click on session SSH and here paste the IPv4 address, specify username Ubuntu, then click on advanced SSH setting, use private key and here give the path of your .pem file, windows.pem, open and OK. So now you can see here our our terminal is ready. So now go to the next point. Next is how to install GitLab Runner on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So firstly, visit the official GitLab Runner page to install latest GitLab Runner. So you can see here, this is the official GitLab Runner page. So firstly, run this command to add the official GitLab repository. So copy this command and paste in your terminal. It takes some time. Yes, it's done. So now next command is here. Next command is to install latest version of GitLab Runner. So copy this command and paste in your terminal to install latest GitLab Runner. You can see it's installing. It takes some time. Yes, it's done. So now you can see here, if you want to install specific version of GitLab Runner, then you can run this command. If you don't want, then skip it. So if you want to check the details of your GitLab Runner, so run this command sudo gitlab -runner -version. So you can see here the details of your GitLab runner. So if you want to check the status, then run the command sudo gitlab -runner status. We can see our service is running. So now go to the next point. Next is register GitLab runner. So you can see here, if you scroll down, you can see here register a runner. So go to this link and here you can see command for register. So copy this command and paste in your terminal. So enter the GitLab instance. So firstly go to the GitLab account and click on your project, then go to the settings and click on CI/CD, then runner. So you can see here register the runner with this URL. So copy this URL and paste here. Then enter the registration token. So copy the token and paste here. Now enter description for the runner. So you can give any meaningful description. So here my runner. Enter tag for the runner. My runner. So now enter an executor. So here shell. Okay, so you can see here runner registered successfully. So let's check. So refresh the page. Go to runner and expand. So you can see my runner. So now next is error. So in your project, sometime error. This job is stuck because the project doesn't have any runners online assigned to it. Go to the runners page. So what should we do? So firstly go to your GitLab account and go to your runner and you can see your edit option. So click on edit and you can see run untagged job indicates whether this runner can pick jobs without tags. So check it and save changes. So it's done. So next is how to install OpenJDK and Maven on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS using apt GitLab Runner instance. So firstly, install OpenJDK on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So run this command sudo update. So copy and paste here. Okay, it's done. So next is sudo apt install default -jdk -y. Copy and paste here. You can see it's installing. It's almost done. Okay, you can see it's done. So now let's check our in a version of Java version. You can see to check Java version. So run this command java version. Okay, you can see it's successfully installed. So now command is install Maven on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS using apt. So run this command. So copy this command and paste in your terminal. So I can say yes. Yes. So let's check mvn version. So yes, it's successfully installed. So if you want to remove Maven from Ubuntu 20.04 LTS using apt, so run this command. If you don't want, then skip it. Then go to the next point. Next is how to create a demo Maven project. So firstly, copy this command. So create a directory somewhere and start a shell in that directory. So run this command. So copy, paste here. You can see here it's downloading. So it's done. So let's check. So run the command ls. Okay, so run the command cd my-app. Okay, then ls. to check. So you can see here in this pom.xml and src file. So okay, then run the command cd, then clone. So run this command to clone git clone and go to your project and click on clone. Copy this clone with https and paste here. Username DevOps hint @gmail.com. Then password. Okay. Then let's check to ls. Okay. Then cd my iPhone app. Then ls. Okay. Then cd. Then cd Java-Maven. ls. Okay. Then exit. So cd. So now cd my iPhone app and run the command. This command sudo cpr. So copy this command and paste in our terminal. Okay. Okay. So now cd, then check for ls. Okay. So now cd and our repository name Java-Maven. Okay. So now git add for add run the command git add dot. Then for commit git commit -m in double quote. We can commit any message. So here Java project using Maven. Okay. So now push command git push origin main. If your branch name is master, so you use command git push origin main. Enter username DevOps hint @gmail.com. Dot com. Password. Okay, so now let's check. Refresh the page. Scroll down. And you can see in our repository there is two files are added, src and pom.xml. Okay, so it's done. So now go to the next point and last is GitLab CI-CD pipeline to build Java project using Maven. So firstly, create GitLab CI.yml. Okay, so go to your project GitLab account and click on our project, and you can see click on this and new file. So firstly, you can see in this code, copy the code and select your template .gitlab-ci.yml .gitlab-ci.yml and paste the code. Then you can see your stages. So you can see there is only one stage, build. So it's as per you, and if you want you can have multiple jobs in this same stage. So here I am going to use build Java project. Here you can see, and going to use stage build, and in script there is mvn package, then artifacts, and in path here I can give this path. So now commit changes. So once you commit you should have pipeline. So go to CI/CD. So now click on CI/CD. And you can see it's running. So click on this pipeline. Build Java project. You can see it should be showing the details. So it's running. So you can see here this job has completed, job succeed. So now, so let's check. So for check, so run this command. Firstly, cd slash home slash gitlab hyphen runner. Okay, then ls, you can see builds. Okay, so now cd builds, then ls, ls. Okay, so now cd Java Maven. Okay, now ls, then you can see a pom.xml, src and target. So cd target, then run the command ls. So you can see a .jar file. So if you run the Java project, then you have to get in your output .jar file. So you can see a .jar file. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.